is a walker. This is pretty amazing. Let me show you. It's something amazing because it has its own seat. Let's open it. So guys, here we go. Here we're back. So the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna open this part. Gonna open all the way. It's gonna be the seat. Now I'm gonna go here. R1 with L1. That I'm gonna grab it right now. Let's get this inside. Hopefully, show you the can. I'm gonna open it. Enough, like just do this to go in. Okay. Here we go, like that. So once you already get it, you wanna do this. You wanna try to make it tight, just like that, both sizes. We're gonna go to the back area, and I'm gonna show you in a second, right? So guys, something pretty important that you always get the same side L2, how you can see an L2, okay? Remember, this hole is gonna go in here, just like that. Let's go to the other side. It's gonna be like the brake. I'm gonna show you how it works in a second. Going like this, the same thing. The hole, the other side, just like that, and you go like this. Just like that. I'm gonna take it up. I'm gonna show you, okay? So guys, once we get already this done, wanna see this one. You're gonna place this over here and this over here in the same order. You're gonna take this out. You're gonna adapt it. Well, I will place it first in this floor. Well, you can adapt that any side that you wanna. Let me show you. You need to open this a little bit, just like that. It's coming into place, so it's not a big no. It's gonna be 4, just like that. Just like that. Something that I like about this, have this, so you can make a break. You have the holder, like this is gonna be something to put it. I'm gonna show you where in a second, and you can place some stuff over here. For sure, if your grandma is one that is too always thirsty, have a cup holder, okay? I'm gonna keep showing you in a second, no worry, okay? This is how it goes right now, guys. I just placed this here, how you can see it's pretty good. So let me show you, you place over there. So always remember, guys, this arrow is gonna be going opposite to the body, okay? So in that way, you can open this really easily, just like that. Ta-da! I love this. Also, something that I love, like they think everything, is this. When you use, I just place it right here, so you can take it out if you want it, just like that. It's gonna be a cane holder, it's pretty good. Also, you can place other stuff over there. It's all up to you. We're gonna have this one. That's gonna be the cup holder or whatever holder that you want it. This is pretty good. My grandma's gonna be so happy with this because I feel like break, just break like that. It's pretty nice. If I wanna see it, I just see it, and it's amazing, to be honest. It's full recommended.